During online shopping, the most important shopping element that plays a crucial role for all the customers is the shopping cart. It helps your customers get their favorable products sooner. Carts can carry as much as products your customers want for them. It's not just a carrying bag, but it's a major element that connects your customers to your brand, helps them understand you, and allows you to further nurture them so as to convert them into your potential leads. So why not add some more ease to the shopping cart for your customers? What if you get the power to provide a floating shopping cart to your customers? Didn't get it? Yes, a floating shopping cart with which your customers will be able to proceed to checkout without moving to cart page. Add products with fly to cart amazing effects. Edit products quantity in cart itself. Remove existing products from shopping cart. Open cart by click or hover actions, and there is much more. All leading to a delightful shopping, reduction in shopping cart abandonment, and ultimately huge sales in your WooCommerce stores. Sounds interesting? Yes, it is. Hi everyone, this is Drishti from Make Web Better. A great welcome to all of you to our YouTube channel. So guys, in the today's demo video, we are going to talk about a floating cart pop-up functionality for your WordPress website that you can easily implement on your WooCommerce stores with the help of a plugin, and that's WooCommerce Floating Cart Pop-up. It's easy to set up and amazing to function. So guys, firstly I'll show you how a floating cart pop-up is going to work on your WooCommerce shop so that you get the basic idea, and then I will demonstrate you how can you enable the plugins backend settings. So let's move to the plugin setup and set up an amazing floating cart icon of the shopping cart on the online shop for your customers. So guys, we have started the demo, and once you have successfully installed WooCommerce Floating Cart Pop-up plugin on your WordPress website and enabled the functionality for your WooCommerce store, so as soon as your customers are going to visit your online store or your WooCommerce shop, so this is how they are going to see the floating cart pop-up right in front of them. So this is how amazingly it is going to create a very great user experience for your customers, because they will be able to carry their shopping cart right on the shop page. That means they just have to add products from the shop to their cart, and right from this shopping cart they can move to the checkout page. That means they do not have to move to the cart page. So this is how it is going to amazingly save their time and provide them immense ease of shopping and a great user experience. So guys, now let's start with this floating cart pop-up, and firstly let me show you all its elements that you can see right now. So guys, on this floating cart pop-up you can see the two elements. The first is floating cart image. So this image icon you can easily update and change as per your business needs. After this guys, this section is the cart total container, and the number which is written inside it is showing the total count of the products added in the cart. Right now we have not added any products in the cart, that is why it is showing the number which is 0. As soon as we are going to add some products into the cart, that number would get changed to the count of products added within the cart. Now let's click on this floating cart. Now guys, as I say the term which is click, that means there are two methods that you can provide to your customers with the help of this plugin. With the help of those two methods, your customers would be able to open this floating cart and check out all the details of the products added in this cart. Right now I have selected the option which is click action, that is why I am proceeding with that. So let's click on this floating cart and open its details. So guys, as you can see, as soon as I have clicked on this floating cart, I am able to see all the details over here. Now guys, before I proceed further, I would like to tell you the best part about this floating cart icon. This is completely customizable as per your business needs and the requirements. You can change the appearance of all its elements very easily and effectively. Moreover, right now it is placed on the bottom left section of the shop page. The best point over here is that you can decide the position of this floating cart very easily. You can place it over here, you can place it over here, you can place it over here. That is, you can easily decide the position of this floating cart. Guys, moreover, with the help of this plugin's functionalities, you can also decide all the positions in your entire online store where you want to show this floating cart pop-up to your customers. Be it cart page, shop page, my account page, get a personal demo page, and much more. So I'll also be showing you how can you set up it very effectively. Now let's proceed further. In the floating cart, as I've opened it, the first section that you can see over here is the heading. This is the heading text. It can completely be changed by default you are able to see the text which is shopping cart that will be available to your customers. Next is subtotal, shipping charges, total. Right now we cannot see the values over here because we have not added the products. So let's now add the products into this floating cart and see how the products are going to get added in the cart. So guys, now I'm going to add some products from the shop page into this cart. So guys, as you can see, as soon as I have clicked on these 3 products one by one, there was some effect with which the products were getting added into the cart. So this is the one of the effects of fly to cart effects. There are various amazing effects that you will be getting inside a plugin that you can implement for your customers, with the help of which all the products will be added to the shopping cart. Now let's click on this cart and open it. So guys, as you can see, as I have added the products in this shopping cart, I am getting the details of all the products that have been added into the cart. That is these 3 products with all their quantity and the subtotal, the shipping charges and the total amount. The next best feature about this floating cart is you can easily remove the products right from here, and you can add the quantity of the products very easily. That means you do not have to visit the cart page, or I can say your customers do not have to visit the cart page to make any amendments in the products added in the cart. They just can do everything right over here. Therefore, it is going to save their lot of time and it is going to provide them a great customer experience. So guys, one point also I would like to add over here is that this is a complete cart template. So our plugin provides you 3 templates out of which you can make the selection and enable it for your WooCommerce store. So that would be reflected over here. Now next comes is the checkout section. So guys, as you can see, you can provide the facility to your customers with the help of which they can directly land to the checkout without moving to the cart page. So this is going to help them save their lot of time, because ultimately they have to firstly add the products into the cart page, then they have to visit the cart page to proceed to checkout. But with the help of this amazing floating cart pop-up, they can do all their cart actions in just one place. So guys, this was all about the floating cart pop-up, and this is how amazingly it is going to create a very good experience for your customers, and they are going to have an amazing shopping experience. Now guys, let's move to the backend settings, and I'm going to show you that how can you set up this floating cart pop-up for your WooCommerce store, how can you customize this whole floating cart elements, and how can you enable this amazing functionality for your customers and increase sales on your WooCommerce store. So guys, now I am going to show you that how can you quickly upload WooCommerce floating cart pop-up plugin on your WordPress website. So this is WordPress dashboard that you can see over here. Now on the left side navigation, you can see the different options over here. To upload the plugin, simply you have to visit plugins and then click on add new. So guys, as soon as you clicked on add new, you will be landed on the page from where you can upload the plugin. So here you can see the button of upload plugin. Simply you have to click on this button, and here you have to upload the zip format of the plugin that you must have downloaded on your system. So guys, till now if you have not got the plugins file, for this you have to visit our video description content. Therein I have mentioned all the links to the product resources, so you can visit the product page and get the plugin for your WooCommerce store. So let's select the file from a system and upload it. So as you can see, the file has come over here. Now we need to click on install now. So clicking on install now will get you to the page where you need to click on the button of activate plugin. So guys, here we get the message that the plugin has been successfully activated, that you can see over here. Now scrolling down, we get the plugin which is WooCommerce floating cart pop-up over here. So guys, the plugin has been successfully activated, and now you need to click on the section which is settings, so as to start setting up all its functionalities for your WooCommerce store. So guys, we have landed on this section, and the very first page that you will be getting as soon as you have successfully installed the plugin on your WordPress website is the overview section. So guys, we have provided this overview section in our plugin so that you can get the basic idea about the plugin, all its features and the functionalities. So as you check out this page, you will get the basic definition, how this plugin is helpful for your online store and all its top features. So we can visit it and get the idea. Next is the general settings. So let's move to the general settings page. So guys, the general settings of the plugin is the section from which you will be able to enable the plugin for your WordPress website, and there are different functionalities that have been provided. So I'll be showing you one by one how can you enable all these functionalities. So guys, now start with all the general settings one by one, and the very first thing that you have to do is you have to click on enable plugin. So as soon as you are going to enable plugin, all the functionalities will get enabled for your WooCommerce store. The next is update cart. The next is upload cart image. So guys, with the help of this functionality in our plugin, you can upload the cart image. On the front end, that is on the shop page, I had shown you the cart image, that is the cart image in the floating cart pop-up. So this is all about like how can you update this image right from this functionality, which is this. So let's click on this button which is change cart icon and see how can you update the cart icon very easily. So there are two options. Either you can select the image from your system, that is through upload files, and next is media library. It completely depends upon you how you want to select the image for the cart icon. So let's go with this image and then click on insert image. So as soon as I have clicked on insert image, as you can see, the image has been updated over here, and now we need to click on save general settings. So clicking on the save general settings will get the change reflected on the shop page, and now let's see on the shop page that how this change has been reflected on the cart icon. So let's refresh this page and you will see the updated cart icon over here. So this is how easily you can do the settings for the cart image. So guys, after this, if you want to set the default cart icon instead of this one, so simply you have to click on this button which is default cart icon, and your previous image would be restored. So as soon as you have clicked on the button that is default cart icon, as you can see the previous image is over here, and then you need to click on save general settings and it would get reflected on the shop page. So let's move to the shop page and refresh this page. So guys, you can see the previous image, or I can say the default cart image has been updated. So this is how easily it works. Now coming to the next functionality, which is fly to cart effect. So now guys, let's discuss about fly to cart effect. So guys, what is fly to cart effect? Let me give you the basic definition of fly to cart effects. So fly to cart effect is a mode in which the products will be added to the cart by the customers. So there are the different animation effects that we have provided in this particular functionality. If you click on this drop down, you will get to see the different options like drag, zoom out, rotate clockwise. So depending upon your choices and preferences, you can select any one out of these fly to cart effects, and this will be reflected on the way the products will be added inside the shopping cart. So let's select any one out of these, for example zoom out, and then click on save general settings. So the settings have been saved, and let's move to the shop page and add some products, and then I'll show you how the products are being added into the cart. So let's add this cap into the cart. So I'm going to click on add to cart, and guys just see how this product is going to get into the cart. So this is the zoom effect that I have selected. So this is how the products are amazingly going to get into the cart with the help of fly to cart effects as we have selected. So depending upon your preferences, you can go with any one out of fly to cart effects. So this is definitely going to enhance your user experience, because ultimately guys, at each and every point when the customers are doing the online shopping, so these things like fly to cart effects or the animations that you can provide with the floating cart effect, this is going to enhance their experience at the every stage they are purchasing from you. Now coming to the next functionality, which is cart template. So guys, in our plugin, if you are going with our plugin, you will be provided with the 3 cart templates that we have given to you. Now based upon your needs and the requirements, you can select any one out of these 3 cart templates, and then this will be reflected in the floating cart pop-up. So let's select the first cart template and then click on save general settings. So guys, clicking on the save general settings button will get this change reflected on the shop page. Let's move to the shop page and see how the cart template is reflected in the shopping cart pop-up. So guys, let's click on this floating cart pop-up, and you can see here is the cart template. So based upon your needs, you can select any one out of the provided cart templates. So guys, this was all about the general settings. Guys, before I proceed further, I would like to tell you that at any point of the demo or the explanation, if you are finding difficulty to understand the features and the functionalities, or if it is not clear to you, you can put your queries and questions in the comment section so that we can understand you and provide you the solution. So you are completely free to put your comments over there so that we can understand your queries and provide you the solution at the right time. Now proceeding for the next, which is the floating cart. So guys, with the help of floating cart functionality, you can set up the complete floating cart pop-up for your WooCommerce store. So let's click on this tab, and here comes all the settings for floating cart pop-up. So guys, one by one I will be showing you all the settings for floating cart pop-up and how it is going to get reflected on the front end. So first is cart total container background color. So guys, as I had shown you about the container background color, let me show you again. So this is the container color. Right now it is black. You can change it with the help of this setting. So let's select the color right from here. So for example, if I select the color which is blue, and then I'll click on Save Cart. So clicking on the button which is Save Cart will change the container color to the selected one, which is blue. Now let's move to the shop page and refresh shop page so as to see the change. So as you can see, the cart container color has been changed to blue one. So this is how you can set up the complete appearance of the floating cart and its element. The next is, so guys, over here, so this is cart total container text. So right now the color which is there is this one, selected one. So let me show you where is the text. So guys, this is the shop page, and right now you can see the 6 is appearing in the white color. So this is the cart container text color. This can also be changed by you if you select the color from here. So for example, if I select the color which is yellow, and then I'll click on Save Cart. So the settings have been changed, and let me show you on the shop page how the cart container text color is going to be changed to yellow color. So guys, as you can see, the color has been changed. So this is how easily it works. Now coming to the next feature, which is cart total container position. So guys, you can change the position of the cart total container. For example, right now you can see the cart container is at the right section of the floating cart, right? Now let's change its position. Now let's change its position to the left, and then click on Save Cart. The settings have been saved, and let's move to the shop page and let's refresh the page. So guys, as you can see, the position of cart container has been changed from right to left. So this is how you can easily change the position of cart container based upon your choices and the preferences. Now coming to the next, which is cart display on. So guys, as I told you at the very beginning of the video, that there are two different methods in which your customers can open the floating cart and check out all the details of the products added to it, which is on click or hover. So there are two modes. So if you go with on click, your customers will have to click on the floating cart pop-up so as to proceed with the next steps. But if you select on hover, so as soon as they are going to see floating cart pop-up, they will have to hover on it so as to check out the floating cart details. So let's click on hover, and let's click on Save Cart, and let me show you that how it is going to work on the shop page for your customers. So the settings have been saved, and let's move to the shop page and let's refresh this page so that I can show you that how this functionality is going to work. So guys, just observe, as soon as I'm going to hover on this floating cart, the floating cart details will be appear to me. So yes, this is how this functionality is going to easily work for you. You can select the actions for your customers based upon your business needs or your preferences. Now the next functionality which comes is cart position, cart X offset, cart Y offset. So guys, these are the different settings with the help of which you can decide the position of the cart. So for example, right now the cart is positioned on the shop page at the left bottom. As you can see, it is placed over here. Now you can change its position. So let's keep it on the top right, for example, and then click on Save Cart. So the settings have been saved, and let's move to the shop page and then refresh this page. As you can see, the cart position, the floating cart pop-up position will be changed. So as you can see, the floating cart have been transferred over here. So this is how you can easily and very effectively decide the position of floating cart pop-up on the entire shop page or wherever you are placing this floating cart for your customers. So guys, and now comes the cart offset value and the cart by offset value. Here you can select the values in the pixels, for example, and you can set up, and then you have to click on save cart to see the changes. So this will basically set up the position of the cart from the X offset position and the Y offset position. Now the next functionality, which is enable to select pages to display floating cart. So at the very beginning, as I told you, this is the best and the biggest advantage of enabling floating cart pop-up functionality on your online store, that you can decide all the positions on your entire online store where you want to show this floating cart pop-up to your customers, be it checkout page, be it cart page, anywhere. So as soon as you are going to enable this option, you will be getting the field to select all those pages where you want to show cart icon. So for example, if I select checkout page, I select my account page, I'll select get your personal demo. So on all these selected pages, your customers would be able to get the floating cart pop-up icon. So this is how you can make the selections. Then the next functionality which comes next is the cart heading text. So guys, by default, you saw on the shop page, the heading text was shopping cart, which is here. Now if you want to change this text, you can do it easily. For example, I set it to, this is your shopping cart, right? Okay, and then I'll click on save cart. So the cart settings have been saved, and let's move to the shop page. And now let's refresh this page so as to see the change in the heading text. So as I hover on this floating cart pop-up, as you can see, the text has been changed to this is your shopping cart. So guys, this is how easily you can change the entire floating cart pop-up with the different customizable settings for your shopping cart. Now the next functionality which comes is cart heading background color. So right now you can see the cart heading background color is blue. So for example, if you want to change this color to something else, for example green, so for example, if you want to change the heading background color to some another color, for example green, and then you click on save cart, so that color, that background color of the heading text would get changed. So the settings have been saved, and let me show you on the front end. So let's refresh this page so as to see the change in the background color. So as soon as I hover on this button, as you can see, the background color has been changed to green. Now guys, next I am going to change the cart heading text color. So guys, as you can see, the text was not appearing over there because the cart heading text color and the cart heading background color both are same. So now I am going to change cart heading text color, that means the color of this line. Okay, so I am going to change this color to, for example, white, and then I'll click on save cart. Okay, so the settings have been saved, and now when I'll show you the cart, let's check how this changes has been reflected. So I have hovered on this floating cart pop-up, and you are able to see that the text color over here has been changed to the selected one, which is white. So this is how you can completely customize this heading section of the shopping cart pop-up. After this comes is the checkout button text. So guys, now I'm going to show you all the checkout settings. Let me show you the section which is over here. That is the checkout. So this is the checkout background color, which is blue right now. The text is of white color, so you can easily change it to the so you can completely change the appearance of this checkout section as per your needs. So let's do it. For example, checkout button text. So by default it is a checkout, but you can change it to your needs. So for example, if I write proceed to checkout, let's keep the checkout background color to purple, and let's select the checkout button text color as white, and then click on save cart. Now all the settings for the checkout section is going to be updated as we get the message. And now let me show you on the shop page how the things have been reflected. Let me refresh this page and show you that how the checkout section has completely been changed in terms of appearance. So guys, as you can see, as per our settings that we did, the background color for the checkout section has been changed to purple color, and the text color has been changed to white. So guys, this you must be observing that how amazing it is to set up the shopping cart pop-up functionality for your customers on your WooCommerce store with such an amazing benefits, like you can decide the position of the shopping cart pop-up, and ultimately all these floating cart pop-up benefits is going to definitely boost up your customers experience. It is going to enhance their engagement on your online store, and ultimately it is going to give you a very good increase in the conversions and engagement in your WooCommerce store. So guys, this was all about the today's demo video. And guys, if you found any difficulty in the understanding of the functionalities or any of the features of our plugin, so you can definitely put your queries in the comment section. We'll feel glad to answer all your questions and give you the solutions at the right time. So guys, this was all about the today's demo video. If you check out the video description, we have mentioned the links to all the product resources. You can check out the link to the live demo of this plugin. We have also mentioned the link to the products documentation. So if you liked this video, please do like and share this video, and keep sharing your thoughts with us so that we can give you more and more solutions for your WooCommerce store and giving you a good increase for your business growth. So guys, thanks for watching and stay connected with us.